Y'all know what it is. It's money making Mondays or motivation Mondays, whichever Monday, however you prefer. So let's get to it.
If you wanna get ahead, sometimes you gotta go without, you feel me? You have to make a lot of sacrifices for this shit, man, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's JJ back at it like an addict, no rehab, because I'm addicted to giving you guys all this advice and information you're gonna need to get that car of your dreams open. Let me turn down my music. We can turn it up. Nah, just listening to some classical music in the morning, some musicals, symphonies. They said, that type of music helps wake up your brain and stuff. So I like to listen to a couple minutes of that, like 5-10 minutes of that in the morning on my morning drives. But yeah, let's get to it. Today, is Monday. I have to try to get back into my routine. I've been slacking here lately, so I'm gonna try to get to the gym. Got to meet up with the lady so she can put the decals on the back of my windshield. So I'm excited about that, to see how that turns out. And then I'm gonna go here to my shop and I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna let you guys know what I'll be doing with those box trucks and how I was making money with those box trucks that you see in the back of my video, because a lot of people been asking. So yeah, let's get to the gym. Show you some footage of putting on the decals on the back of my car, let you guys see how that turns out. And I want to let you guys see what you guys think, because she said the letters, I don't know how long the letters are going to be, so let you guys see how it looks, to see if I need to make the letters bigger or what suggestions would you guys make, and then we can change it up from that. But yeah, let's get to it. Off to the gym. No, first off to the bank, then off to the gym. Let's go. And then to the shop. Then to the shop. Then we'll talk, and then we'll put the, let's go. Let's do it that way. Let's get to it. So, we back here in the office and answer for you guys what people been wanting to know. People been messaging me what I do or what I was doing with my box trucks. And, I'm about to let you guys know. What I was doing with those box trucks is I was delivering furniture for a company. I wasn't moving anything. It was just like a delivery type of setup. Because when you work in the car business, one thing you will have, once you become a dealer, you will notice, like, on your days that you will have a lot of downtime. So the best thing you can do is to try to use all your time wisely, because every day you're presented with a new opportunity to either make your situation better or make your situation worse, because there's plenty of people out there that's doing better than you, and there's plenty of people out there doing worse than you. But hey, you get a new 24 hours every day to change that situation. So what I was doing with the box truck vans is, me and my brother, we went around here locally to a couple of these like furniture stores, and we just asked them, like, did they have any people delivering for them, and do they need extra people to deliver for them. So on like my downtime, the days I would do it was Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, because those are like the 3 slowest days for me. And on Sunday here in the state of Oklahoma, it's illegal to sell cars if you're a dealer. If you're a person just selling cars regularly, you can sell cars just fine on Sunday. But if you're a dealer, it's against the law to sell cars on Sunday. So Sunday was a free day, Monday was a slow day, Tuesday was a pretty slow day. So that's what I would do, was me and my brother, we would get in the box truck, we'll go to the company, furniture company. They open up about 10 a.m. We'd do about four or 5 deliveries a day. Four was like, we told them, if y'all don't have 4 deliveries for us, it's not really worth our time, because it wasn't really like putting gas in the stuff, and both of us getting paid for the day. But the deliveries was they were giving us, it was $75 per delivery. So 4 deliveries, that's $300 a day. You split that with both, walk away $125, and use the other $50 to either put gas in the truck or put that in like the maintenance pile for the truck. So that's what we would do. It was pretty simple work. We get up there, they open up at 10, or they'll call us the day before. They'll let us know like, okay, you got this many deliveries, and what we'll do is, we'll know the day before, so we'll get there, back up to the loading dock. They'll load the truck, then we'll take the deliveries to the place, and they were located on the south side, and so we only did deliveries in that area because they had two delivery people. They would have one set of people to deliver for the north side of town, and then they had us for the south side of town. So each delivery was $75, and it was $10. Like if you was in staying in an apartment, for each flight of steps that we had to go up. So if you was on the second floor, it was $85. If you was on the third floor, it was $95. So it was pretty good money, because all you had to do was just go to the dock, pick the furniture up, drop it off. It took you, you start at 10, get done by like 12, 1 o'clock, especially because all the deliveries was in the area. So you get done pretty quickly. 4 hours max. Put your quick $125 in your pocket for the day, and then come back to the car lot, and have getting cars ready for sale. Because what I would do, I always planned it out. Always before, like on the deliveries, that's the time I would post my cars. I would post all my cars about 10, 11 in the morning, and so people will see them, because people who buy cars, when most of the time people are going to buy their cars when they get off of work, and people usually get off work around anywhere from 3 to 5 o'clock is usually when people get off. So it was always setting up good for us. You could go there at 10, knock that out a couple hours, put a little money in your pocket, then you have the time to sell the car and put some extra money in your pocket if you sold something today, if you didn't. But yeah, that's just all I was really using those box vans for. And also I would like look up liquidation pallets, and I would buy liquidation pallets and just sell some stuff off the liquidation pallets, because I'm always thinking of little ways where I can just make a little bit of money, or little things to help my situation. Like I said, it's so much downtime here. Like right now, it's just downtime. It's Monday, but as you can see, I'll show you guys. Like it was a lot of deliveries that we done. This ain't even all the deliveries. This is just some of the deliveries we done. Look at that, all these deliveries. I'm not gonna show you the front side because that has people's personal information on it. But yeah, that's just some of the deliveries. But it was about 4 deliveries a day. And when I wasn't doing it, I'll let my little brother do it, let him put some money in his pocket. And then anybody else in the family who wanted to do it, put some money in your pocket. But if you can run across your box van and do something in your spare time, you and a buddy, y'all can deliver for these furniture companies, because a lot of these furniture companies, they don't have anybody to deliver for them, or if they do, it's only one person. So if that's just a little extra money, a little advice for you guys. Didn't want to drag on the video too long. Just wanted to give you guys an explanation on what I use them for. And I got more plans for these box trucks, and I'll let you guys know that when it comes to fruition, what I'll be doing more with the box trucks. But now it's it's kind of slow right now, due to the pandemic. So not a lot of people, so not people buying furniture. So they're only using the one crew right now. So I'm focused on selling cars right now and other stuff. But when it picks back up, they'll give me a call and I'll get to go back making that money. But for right now, just focus on selling cars and making money that way. But waiting on the person to pull up to put the decals on the video. Not on the video, but on my car. And and that's how we're gonna end this video. So I'm gonna show you guys that little walk around of the decals getting put on my vehicle, or the after effect. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I appreciate all the new subscribers. Like this video if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, drop a comment if you have any information. But let's go. We got our put on the back. What y'all think? YouTube symbol, JJ's Cars and Advice, going through in gold letters. What y'all think? Look at that. Look, we're in the game now. We're in the game now. Look at that. Now, next, what I want to do is I want to get my logo put right here, the logo of me right there, and then I want to get my other logo put right there, the Successful logo right there. But yeah, But we in the game now, you know. Wanna personally thank the person who done it. So let's. This is the lady who done everything for me. So you know, you want to shout out and let people know where to find you.
Yes, I am Shantae with Creations by Shantae. I can be found at Karen's Flea Market, which is 4700 South Bryant. Also on Facebook and Instagram, and that's Creations with a K.
Yep, she'll get you all the t-shirts, everything you need, the decals for your window. She'll get you anything. She'll get you all hooked up. So if y'all need anything, just go shout her out and find her, and she'll get you all taken care of. No problem. So appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. You know, I appreciate all the support. I'm out. See you guys in tomorrow's video. And you know, thank y'all, you know. And let me know what y'all think about the decal on the back of my car. I think it came out pretty good, but you know, let me know what you guys think about it. So let me know what you guys think. So appreciate that. Like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. See you guys. Thank y'all. Peace.